Hey guys, I'm at Toyota HQ for a huge unveil, lots of Lexus and Toyota products, but today I want to bring you something special. This is the Lexus Electrified concept, and it is incredible. So we're going to do an in-depth walk around on this thing. There's so many details. It is quite breathtaking. Now, this front end, you might notice a lack of a spindle grille. Well, it's an electric car, so you don't really need the spindle grille, but they worked it into the body. And these are 3D pieces here. So it's not like a flat 2D where what it looks like, in the press release that we've got. This is all like textured. It's incredible. Now this is also see-through. This plastic here is see-through. As you can see, there's geometric squares going on behind that. Now these are the LED daytime running lights. They're all separate. There's space in between each one of these. It's unreal, the detail of this concept. And you also have these squares replicated in the nighttime running lights, which you have 6 of them. Now this theme here of these lines, not only do we see these lines, these striations on the bottom of the grille, we see them in the daytime running lights, and we'll see them on the back end of the car here in a little bit. Now, I'm not quite sure what this piece is here. We know that there's a lot of illumination going on. This thing lights up, of course the Lexus emblem lights up, and we're going to walk around the side here. How about we go around the other end because the lighting's gonna be better. I'm gonna walk around here, and you're gonna notice we have digital mirrors. Would it make it to production? It depends on what part of the world you're in. Here in America, that's not gonna happen, but you can see the Lexus logo written on the edge of that. I think that's really, really classy, looks really good. These wheels to me might be the most impressive thing about this LFZ Electrified concept. It looks like you might be able to look inside of them, but at no point in time can you see inside the wheel. It's like a maze of geometric patterns. I would have to say these are 21, 22 inch wheels, and even the tires, when we get around to the back, they are really, really fat. Now this Lexus logo lights up on the side, and this is like a wavy pattern. It's kind of hard to show on camera, but it's connected to the body, but it also sits off the body about an inch here and like a half inch here. So it moves along the side of the body as well. And it's definitely a eye-catching piece. I don't know what the purpose of those lines going around, but again, remember the striations on the front. They're also going to continue on the side here and also on the back. And we're going to get a side profile look here of this LFZ Electrified concept. Now this color, I'm going to take a stab. It might be the iridium color. I think in the LFZ press release, it was a white color. So a very unique iridium, kind of like a silver color here, and it does look really good with the two-tone, as you see the LFZ imprinted here on the, I guess it would be the C pillar. I mean, I haven't been able to get inside the vehicle, so I don't know what you guys can see, and they're probably just a bunch of reflections. So I can't give you my impressions on the inside of the vehicle, but the outside is just unreal. Oh, I missed something. I missed something important on the front end, guys, because this is going to be some sort of autonomous, right? You might see LTM printed right in there. And if you can't, I believe I got some B-roll, but there it says LTM, which stands for Lexus Teammate, and there's a sensor right there that's behind this plastic guard that's going to help with self-driving capabilities. We got a very interesting roof line that finishes with a fin. So we have that interesting vertical piece on the front of the bumper. We also have this vertical fin here. Kind of reminds me of that character from Guardians of the Galaxy that you guys know, the guy, the blue guy. Anyways, backing up here, the rear end is definitely a sight to see. The tires are absolutely massive. I know it doesn't look right on the camera, but if I zoom in, they're fat. Again, these are prototype tires, so I don't have specifications for you guys. But here's another look at that LTM, that Lexus Teammate. There's another sensor here for that self-driving, and look at those striations once again on the back that mixes with the ones behind the front wheel, right? You can see them behind the front wheel, and we have them on the front daytime running lights, and we also have them running across here on the rear tail lights as well. This vehicle overall is absolutely stunning. How much of this will make it to production? Your guess is as good as mine. But if we can get those wheels to make it to production or something really close, and some sort of version of these striations would be a cool new Lexus signature design piece. I think that'd be really excellent. But guys, I'm gonna end it there. I have more videos and more content coming. We have the Toyota BZ4X right over there that I'll eventually get my hands on. And if you look outside, there's a whole garden pavilion out there full of Toyota Lexus products, guys. And yeah, I mean, just look around me. I'll just give you a little interior look, a little walk around of the main lobby here at Toyota HQ. It is like a dream. It's a dream here. It's like a car nuts, car nerds dream. People driving all sorts of vehicles. I drove the Toyota Mirai earlier. I drove the LS 500 hybrid for the first time. So guys, I'll see you in the comments. Lots of content coming. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Peace out.
Glass invites the outside in, while LED ambient lighting creates any number of moods inside the cabin. E-Latch updates conventional handles with doors that unlatch by a push of a button and scan the environment for oncoming traffic, making the LFZ Electrified concept both sleeker and safer, while Digital Key gives your smartphone seamless, shareable access to your car.
Teammate is a SAE Level 2 system. That means that it provides both steering and speed support simultaneously, but the driver must always supervise the system as it's operating.
Teammate is a generic term for advanced driver assist systems and automated systems based on the mobility teammate concept. It involves advanced park and advanced drive features. For the advanced drive feature, we have a system that can navigate down the freeway, hands off, eyes on the road under certain conditions. It'll keep you in your lane. It can recommend lane changes.
Right lane change starting.
And it can even recommend to get into a different lane if you're approaching an exit ramp, if your navigation's set.
Advanced drive will keep right ahead.
The 5 core characteristics of Teammate are that it is perceptive, it is intelligent, it is interactive, it is reliable, and it is upgradable.
Our mobility teammate concept is really trying to make the vehicle and the driver act as one.
Advanced drive ending ahead.
With a seamless handoff from the vehicle control to the driver control. The types of systems we're working on are truly changing people's lives. We're making people's driving experience more pleasurable and less stressful.
Advanced Drive is our first advanced driving assist system to leverage a high-definition map, or HD map. That HD map allows us to localize the vehicle onto the roadway exactly into which lane it's driving.
Advanced drive will keep right ahead.
That localization is provided through a combination of our camera sensors and our LiDARs being fused with that HD map. Once it is localized on the highway, we can make a route plan and a path plan to get you from that exact lane to your destination.
We have a driver monitoring system that will determine if the driver's eyes are on the road, and if not, give some kind of warning.
Emergency driver support system allows us to support a driver if they should become incapacitated while driving with advanced drive.
Stop assist active. Vehicle will pull over soon.
If they are non-responsive, our system can provide a support system that could put the vehicle to the side of the road in a safe shoulder or emergency help to arrive. The heads-up display on Teammate is one of our distinguishing features. That heads-up display allows the system to convey to the driver what it is seeing and what it will be doing.
Left lane change starting.
Advanced Drive adds new intelligent features that have never been seen before in a Toyota vehicle. For example, we are introducing GPUs that allow us to infer when vehicles are cutting into our lane or when a road sign allows us to understand where we are in the roadway. The development of advanced drive has been a very close relationship with our colleagues in Japan for over 5 years. We have been developing software with a weekly release, and that requires daily communication between US side and Japan side with what we are seeing here, what they're seeing in Japan with their test drives and simulation.
Toyota's strategy for assist or automated type systems really comes from a safety perspective first. The team members we have, the engineers, the technicians, they understand that what they're working on has the potential to impact people's lives. It's really inspiring to watch the dedication, and that's just at the heart of Toyota's DNA.